Good morning, 4K friends. Let's start our day with a greeting. How about shouting hello? Everybody on the count of 3, shout hello. 1, 2, 3. Hello! All right, let's take a peek at our schedule. Our schedule is here. We have morning meeting. We will do calendar, quick math lesson on writing equations, read aloud story, hello, hello for today, and we will do some word work. Let's get started with our morning song. Are you guys ready? Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. I'm so glad you're here. All right, friends, let's sing our group time job song today without the cards. Are you guys ready? Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time. At group time. Excellent. If you knew all the words, go ahead and give yourselves a little pat on the back. It's time for the Ben Franklin pledge. Who remembers that? Here we go. Today I represent Ben Franklin Elementary. I will be respectful. I will be responsible. I will be safe because I am a statesman. Very good. If you remembered all the words to the statesman pledge, go ahead and give yourselves a little pat on the back. Great job. All right, today we will be moving on to calendar. Let's take a look. We are still in the month of April. We are still in the year 2020. Let's move our signs, each one hop. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Friends, sing along with me. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. All day long. All day long. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. All day long. All day long. Let's sing the months of the year song just for a refresher. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Awesome. And as you can see, we have another week after this week of April. Does anybody know the month that comes after April? I bet William knows. William is having a birthday next month. William, shout it out really loud so all the friends can hear. What month comes after April? I know that William said May because he has a birthday in May. So May is the next month. There are 30 days in April, and we will start May 1st on this Friday right here. All right, let's go ahead and extend our pattern. It looks like we started the week with a yellow ladybug, and then a red ladybug, and then a red ladybug. That is exactly what our pattern is for the month. And when we get to that red ladybug, the second one, we start over with a yellow one. So if you said a yellow ladybug, you are correct. So I'm going to tuck that in right here on today. And friends, repeat after me. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Excellent job. All right, for math today, we're going to be taking a look at some equations. We are working with those even numbers again. So when I'm talking about the even numbers to 10, I'm talking about 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And we will be using ladybugs today that we're drawing in order to show those numbers in equations. So you'll need used a red and a black crayon. So if you have that, great. If not, not a big deal. You're going to take a piece of white paper. If you have that, your paper can have lines or no lines. It doesn't matter. I'm going to fold that paper in half so that I have 2 halves. And then I'm going to draw 2 circles at the top, 2 circles at the bottom. These are going to be 2 different equations. I could even go so far as to decorate them like ladybugs. Give them a little half circle head, some antennas, definitely a line down the middle, 3 little legs on each side. Again, line down the middle, half circle head, antennas, and 3 little legs on each side. I would do that also at the bottom. So when I'm making my equations, I'm going to have 1 ladybug for each number that I write. We also need to talk about 2 signs that are used in math. The first sign looks like this. It's a plus sign. When you add 2 things together, you use a plus sign in the middle. The next sign that we're going to learn about that we use in math looks like this. 2 horizontal lines, one on top of the other. That's called an equal sign. So if I were to write an equation about how many kids had birthdays this month, I would write out the number 1 for Faye, and I would write a number 1 for Max. We would tuck them both here. So 1 Faye plus 1 Max equals how many kids all together? We know that 1 plus 1 more equals 2. So that's how I would write the numbers in on that equation. So if you have your ladybugs ready, I'm going to have you go ahead and draw 1 dot on each ladybug. And then we're going to write those numbers down below. Mrs. Ceplina already did that. So this ladybug has 1 dot. I'm going to write the number 1 here. I know I need that plus sign because we're going to be adding all the spots together, just like the story we read on Friday and on Monday. There's 1 spot on this ladybug, and then we need that special sign called the equal sign. Let's count the dots all together. There's 1 dot on this ladybug plus 1 dot on this ladybug. That makes 2 dots all together. All right, and then at the bottom of your page, I want you to go ahead and draw 2 dots on each ladybug. So I've got my 2 ladybugs here at the bottom. I'm going to put 2 dots on the first one. I'm going to draw 2 dots on the second one. And then we're going to write an equation about that. So we need to start with the number 2, because there's 2 dots on the first ladybug, so I'm going to write 2. And I need that plus sign. How many dots on the next ladybug? Count them, 1, 2. So I'm going to write 2 here. And then we need that special equal sign that we use in math. 2 dots plus 2 more dots is how many dots altogether? Now remember, you can count them by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you're ready for some counting on, you can let your grown-up know that 2, 3, 4 dots altogether. We can count on from 2. 2, 3, 4, and then we write the number 4 there. We're going to do the same thing on the back. I went ahead and drew 2 dots at the top, well, circles, I guess we'll call them. 2 circles at the top, 2 circles at the bottom. Then I'm going to make them look like ladybugs. Three legs on each side, line in the middle, forgot my line over here, half circle head, some antennas, and the ones at the bottom, make them look like ladybugs, line down the middle, 3 legs, all right, my ladybugs are ready for some spots. We already did 1 spot on each, 2 spots on each, so it's time for 3 spots on the ladybugs at the top. If you need to cover up the ones at the bottom so you're not confused, go ahead and do that with a different piece of paper. We're just working on the ladybugs at the top. So I'm going to draw 3 dots on this ladybug. That means this ladybug needs 3 dots to match. And then when it's time for me to write my equation, I'm thinking about the plus sign and where it goes, and I'm thinking about the equal sign and where that goes. But first we need to start with a number. How many spots are on my first ladybug? You said 3, you're right, so I'm going to write 3. Then I need that plus sign because I want to know how many spots I have all together. How many spots are on the next ladybug? If you said 3, you are correct. If you forgot, go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 more equals how many altogether? And you just need to count the spots. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write the number 6 after the equal sign because I know that 3 plus 3 more equals 6. Remember, if you're counting on, show your grown-up how to do that. You can say 3, 4, 5, 6 all together. And you're going to do that same work with 4 spots. And then you'll need another page and you'll draw 5 spots on each ladybug. If you want to go higher, the choice is yours. Just make sure that your ladybugs both have the same number of spots. All right, our read aloud for today is called Hello, Hello, and it's by Brendan Wenzel. Hello, hello. Black and white. Hello, color. Hello, bright. Hello, stripes. Hello, spots. Hello, giant. Hello, nut. Hello, tongue, ears, hands, and nose. Hello, pattern. Hello, pose. Hello, shape. Hello, show. Hello, wonder. Hello, whoa. Hello, quiet. Hello, loud. Hello, wild. Hello, proud. Hello, beauty. Hello, bend. Hello, neighbor. Hello, friend. Hello, roars, peeps, chirps, and chants. Hello, song. Hello, dance. A world to see. A world to know. Where to begin? Hello, hello. The end. All right, friends, have a great day, and don't forget to tune in for our class Zoom today at 9 a.m.